I don't know if you know where the puff craze all started in this industry, but in this video, I'm here to let you know all about the history as well as who has the most puff vinyl colors, and take a look at some of these new dope puff colors, because this looks like somebody's regular lineup of vinyl, not puff vinyl. Welcome to TSH News, where I bring you guys the latest and the greatest about the apparel decorating industry. I'm your host, Stan Banks, and we're going to get to it right after the intro. Welcome to TSH News, where I bring you guys the latest and greatest about the t-shirt industry. Man, listen, if you guys are here and you want to keep hearing the news, make sure you hit that like button, because I'm working really hard to stay on top of the industry so you guys can be in the know-how. All right, as you guys know, I'm your host, Stan Banks here, and right now I'm here to talk to you guys about the puff vinyl craze. Listen, I don't know that I'm saying, what I'm saying is, I am not saying that I was the first person to use puff vinyl ever. You know, it might be a video before me, but what I am saying is that I started the craze where it went crazy when I linked up with my man James from EconoTransfer, and we talked about white and black puff vinyl. In fact, they sold out because it hit during the midst of the pandemic. You guys know it was really hard to get it back in stack, but my man James today has bounced back, and bounced back better than ever, because he got more colors than anybody. I think it's at like 34 and counting. He like, yo, we gonna be at 40 by the summer. And I'm like, listen, hey, puff vinyl is what it is in the industry, man. I used a lot of stuff in the past, flock. Now that we got some of these new colors that we got right here in my hands, I got the gold here, and I'm gonna give you guys a story. We're gonna take a look at what colors that I got here today. And it's not even all of them, so just bear with me. But let's talk about the gold vinyl that I have in my right hand here. And so my man James dropped the gold puff vinyl, and I'm like, yo, that's dope. But yo, how you get gold and you ain't get silver? It's like anytime you get silver, you get gold. You know, I'd rather, you know, silver and gold. Y'all know, if you know what I'm talking about. But nah, let me get to it. So I hit my man James. I'm like, listen, I got these silver Versace's, man. I can't really go to the store and find much to wear. And I need to, like, how you don't got the silver? So he came and he just dropped me the silver puff vinyl. So we got gold and silver. Listen, this might be my newest favorite vinyl, okay? If you guys know me before, man, I love electric from Caesar. You know, I just think it's the dopest vinyl. You put that, if you're a YouTuber out there, you making like your YouTube channel shirt stuff, if you get that electric red, that YouTube symbol just shines so nice. But I'm just saying, just giving you guys. So let's go through the colors. We got camel. It's a nice little, that's a nice little melanin tone right there for y'all. We got lavender. Ooh, they getting busy. Hold on. Yellow. Oh, this is orange. I'm tripping. It says yellow, but the core says yellow. But and maybe it's gonna change color. I'm gonna have to check that one out. That one didn't look right. We got dragon fruit, bro. They got dragon fruit. What they think this is, gum? They got candy over here? I don't know what's going on. All right, white, black, jade. That's dope. They got some colors, man. This is like other people's regular color wheel. Gray. They got it all in puff. You know what I'm saying? You can just be a puff specialist. Purple. That purple looked a little dark too, so I'm gonna test some of these out, man. Green. It ain't never gonna stop. Olive. That look good too. You can get that army, get your army joints on. You know what I'm saying? Red. Orange. So that yellow might be, it might be a golden yellow. All right, dark gray. This is like a, super dark. That joint so dark it's almost black. Blue. That looks, it probably is going to turn out like a royal, but it looks a little navy on that one. Burgundy. I'm getting tired. Sheesh, it's a lot of colors. neon green. They got neon colors in puff. Hey, James, if you come out with some electric puff, some more shiny colors, that'd be crazy. I don't know. Neon pink. Woo, get busy. Get busy. We got the Back to the Future sticker from Econo. Neon yellow. Yo, they getting busy with these colors, man. Getting busy with these colors. Neon blue. Sheesh. Hey, James, y'all got too much, man. Neon orange. So that's what I got here right now. And a bunch of bags under me now. So let me count this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. God damn, that's a lot of color. So I got this little rack right here. I was going to put more rolls of glitter in, but because I haven't done a lot of videos and stuff, actually cutting vinyl, and I haven't taken like walk-in one-off customers, I haven't really gotten to use vinyl that I needed it. I got a little bit at my house. So I'm going to put the EconoPuff on this row right here. And listen, I'm going to be back with some tutorial videos when it comes to just, you know, some puff and stuff like that, because you guys want tutorials and I got to have a reason. So right now, my man James over at EconoTransfer just gave me a reason to go ahead and make a tutorial for you guys so that I can make something to wear with my my shoes. All right, so them shoes right there, I'm gonna come up with a dope design. If you guys got a design you think I should use, send it to me. I might use that. Why not? All right, and I can rock them, and then I do my thing. I take some pictures, I speak in it, I do whatever. So probably pull out the Cameo and get you guys a step-by-step tutorial thanks to my man James over there. So make sure y'all go ahead and shop over at EconoTransfer. That's econo.tshirtsizers.com. That's my affiliate link. That lets them know that I sent you over there, and it helps you support the channel at no extra cost to you. All right, so like I said, man, I started the puff vinyl craze across the internet. You know what I'm saying? I'm always out looking for new products. So if you out there have a new product that you think is dope and you made it, hey man, send it to me. Let me figure it out. Let me shoot me a DM. Let me take a look at it. You know, I'm here to spread the news around the industry, and that includes the news from you guys, because you guys are the only reason that I'm here right now. And yeah, so listen, I'm your host, Stan Banks, and this is TSH News, where I bring you the latest and greatest about the t-shirt industry. It's been your boy, Stan Banks. Peace.